You are going to love the 2012 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful V6 or efficient 4-cylinder engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, traction control, power sunroof, power driver's seat, heated seats, air conditioning, alloy wheels, auto express down window, cruise control, hands-free link system. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.